Have you ever wondered how baking works? Cake is one of many different mixtures that is created because of the chemical reactions within it. Here's an example of a cake recipe.
Flour is the powder formed of grain, nuts, and beans. It contains two proteins, glutenin and gliadin. When water is added, it allows the proteins to bond together and form a new protein called gluten, a sticky substance that largely expands under high temperature and sets with a desired airy texture.
Baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, turns into sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide in the baking process, which makes the cake have small holes of carbon dioxide in it.
Salt molecules, sodium chloride, bond with flour proteins, causing the gluten molecules to become less mobile and make the batter tighter and more elastic.
The butter is the fat agent in the mixture, and its role is to make the cake chewy and not dry. This gives the cake a softer texture and prevents carbon dioxide bubbles from escaping the mixture.
The eggs bind the other ingredients together and have long chains of amino acid proteins in them. They begin as folded chains, but then they unfold and denature when they are heated up.
Vanilla is not a chemical necessity, but its sole purpose is to add flavor.
Although milk does not have a set chemical formula, it is composed of water, fat, protein, sugar, minerals, and vitamins. The sugar lactose C12H22O11 helps keep the cake moist because of its bonds with proteins.
Sugar increases the velocity of the egg mixture so the air bubbles that get mixed in don't pop straight up. Sugar is carbon 12, hydrogen 22, oxygen 11, and when they react with the elements in eggs, they aid in getting a spongy texture for the cake.
Sugar and lactose have the same chemical formulas, but the chemical structure is different, causing them to take different forms.
Heat also plays an important role in the chemistry behind baking a cake. This occurs when the formula of Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 forms NaCO3. Also, heat helps produce bubbles of gas to keep the cake light and fluffy, along with the Miller reaction occurring at a high temperature when the proteins and sugars are rearranged.